Hey guys, what is up? My name is Tony. Welcome to my channel, Hustling with Tony. So, I have actually breaking news coming in from yesterday, announced by Zuckerberg, who looks like he might be joining in on the e-commerce business along with Facebook. So, what does that mean? That means that if you're a small business owner and you have been affected by this entire quarantine, this entire pandemic, you haven't been able to sell any of your products, and building a website costs too much money, and you just simply don't know how to do it, Facebook has actually solved that problem for you. They partnered up with a few good web commerce, e-commerce companies to create something that you're going to be able to take advantage of. And what that is, I'll explain in this segment. Now cue that intro. This thing working? Alright guys, so what did Facebook introduce that is going to help out a lot of small business owners and avoid actual fees, building a website, credit card fees, fees for subscriptions and stuff like that? It makes it really simple for people who actually just trying to sell their product online, small business owners who are actually just trying to sell their services, sell their products, and really don't want to get into the convoluted whole thing of branding and building an e-commerce site, building an entire website all from scratch, etc. And what that is, Facebook Shops is a free service that Facebook is going to provide for a lot of small businesses where they're able to actually sell their product and their services. And this is Zuckerberg's and Facebook's initiative to help small businesses stay alive during this pandemic when they can't sell their stuff. So what does that mean for you as a small business owner and as an individual? Now, if you're a small business owner, this means that you can go on your Facebook business page if you have one. If you don't have one, I recommend go create one right now because you're going to need it. Now, if you have a Facebook business page, that means that you're able to now go to that tab that calls Shop and create a shop and actually upload your product and upload your services. So if you have a masterclass, you teach online, you have like hair products, you have t-shirts, you have printing shirts, printing services that you want to provide, you now are able to actually put it on your shop, which is amazing because it doesn't cost you a dime to do it. Now, I have a shop that's connected to my website, so if you want to see an example of what a shop would look like on Facebook, I'm going to leave that link in the description. You're able to go on, click on it, and see what it looks like. Now mine is connected to Squarespace, so it's a bit different. It was a bit more convoluted. I had to go through so many headaches just to get that started. So luckily for everybody else, Facebook Shops is actually really simple and is going to be a great way for you guys to just put your products and sell. And I think everybody's looking forward to just sell their products and make some type of money, right? So being said, now we're gonna go into something that you're going to read and soon is going to come up, and that is being able to put on your products on the live stream. I know, you're able to do live streams and you're able to actually sell your product while doing that live stream, which is actually pretty good because if you're trying to explain your product and you need to explain your product and people actually like your product, they are able to go on your live stream, click on the product and actually buy it, which is good. And that's a good way for anybody to make a sale, really, if you're trying to pitch your product. Another thing that's coming up is the shop tab on Instagram. Now that shop tab, I have it on my business page, so I'm gonna leave that link in the description too, so you're able to see what that shop tab looks like. And it's mostly just tagging your products, and you're able to, well, in this case, in my case, is really tagging my products. But what Facebook is going to do is actually put a shop tab where it syncs your products along with your Facebook business page, so you are able to actually sell your products on Instagram. So if you're more of an Instagram person and you have a ton of followers on your Instagram in your business, then you are now able to sell your products on Instagram. So if you're a small business owner, this is giant, this is humongous, this is monumental for you because you are now able to sell all of your products on Facebook and on Instagram. And you don't have to go through the convoluted thing of actually setting up a website, telling people to go to your website to go buy it. And if you're not much on that, now I do recommend from a branding perspective, you may actually want to build a website and sell through it. Why? Because branding is really important. It's still important. So don't take it as a way of saying that I'm discarding building a website. Don't do it. It's not necessary anymore. If you're really into branding, and I think it's a good idea, do build a website. I have a website and I'm going to keep it because it's a good thing for me to have as a business owner. So if you're looking for a way to sell your products and making it simple, free, hassle-free, you're just trying to upload your products, boom, Facebook shops exist. Go do it now. Create your business page if you haven't done so on Facebook and sell your products. Guys, small businesses are the lifeline of this country, so go out and do it. And if you're an individual seller like me, right? I sell most of some products on eBay, and I think eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, etc. I sell it under my LLC, especially on eBay. So that means that if I have new products that I want to sell, I can upload it on my Facebook shop and actually sell it there and avoid a whole lot of eBay fees, which I don't really like to pay. I don't know anybody that likes to pay eBay fees unless you're making a ton of money and there's really chump change for you. So guys, going back, now is the time. Now let me know in the comments what you think about Facebook shops, if it's going to be useful for you, and if you're going to be able to take advantage of it. Also, if this video helped you out, and hopefully that it did, and hopefully this public service announcement did, and I'm breaking the news to you for the first time, leave me a thumbs up. Do comment on what you think about Facebook shops and how it's going to help you if you have any questions on it. And if there's enough room for a tutorial, or if you guys need a tutorial how to set up a shop, I might do one soon. And if you need an example of what a shop looks like and what the products tag looks like on Instagram, I'll leave the descriptions. In the description, I'll leave the links to my store so you guys are able to check that out and able to see what it looks like and have an example of what your store can actually look like. And I hope you small businesses are able to sell a whole lot of your products and get out of the hardship that you're in. So guys, thank you very much, and I'm gonna see you guys later. As you can see, I'm about to go work out.